The Department of Environmental Quality is extending its public comment period for a cleanup on the former Union Pacific Railroad site in Ashland. This cleanup would allow over 11 acres of the site to be redeveloped for industrial, commercial, or urban residential use. Comments are now due by 5 p.m. on Tuesday, October 31st. You can email comments to the address listed on your screen and find more information at ordeq.org/Ashland Rail Yard Info.